Did you know that electrical problems cause a shocking number of house fires each year? It's a hidden danger that lurks behind the walls of our homes, often going unnoticed until it's too late. Electrical fires can start in an instant, sparked by something as simple as a faulty wire or an overloaded outlet. These seemingly minor issues can quickly escalate into a full-blown disaster, putting lives and property at risk. According to the National Fire Protection Association, electrical malfunctions contribute to nearly 51,000 fires annually. This staggering statistic highlights the importance of being vigilant about electrical safety in our homes. It's not just about protecting our property, it's about safeguarding our loved ones from harm. These fires result in roughly 500 deaths, over 1,400 injuries, and billions of dollars in property damage. The emotional and financial toll of such incidents is immeasurable. Families are left to rebuild their lives from the ashes, often facing significant hardship and loss. The numbers are a stark reminder that electrical safety is not something we can afford to ignore. It's crucial to be proactive in identifying potential hazards and addressing them before they can cause harm. Regular inspections and maintenance of electrical systems can go a long way in preventing fires. Behind our walls and beneath our floors, electricity powers our modern lives, but it also presents a potential danger if not treated with respect and caution. We rely on electricity for almost everything, from lighting our homes to powering our appliances and devices. However, this convenience comes with a responsibility to ensure that our electrical systems are safe and up to code. These fires often start small, ignited by a faulty wire or an overloaded outlet. It might begin with a flickering light or a tripped circuit breaker, signs that something is amiss. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to catastrophic consequences, but a small spark can quickly escalate into a raging inferno, consuming everything in its path. Within minutes, a home can be engulfed in flames, leaving little time for escape. The speed at which these fires spread underscores the importance of early detection and intervention. The good news is that most electrical fires are preventable. By taking simple yet effective steps, we can significantly reduce the risk of these devastating events. Regularly checking and maintaining electrical systems, using appliances as intended, and being mindful of the load on circuits are just a few ways to enhance safety. By understanding the common causes, recognizing the warning signs, and taking appropriate preventative measures, we can significantly reduce the risk of these devastating events. It's also important to educate ourselves and our families about fire safety protocols, such as having a fire escape plan and knowing how to use a fire extinguisher. This guide aims to equip you with the knowledge and tools to make your home a safer place for you and your loved ones. Together, we can create a safer environment and protect what matters most. Remember, electrical safety is a shared responsibility, and by taking action today, we can prevent tragedies tomorrow. Let's start by identifying the usual suspects, the common electrical hazards lurking in our homes. Faulty wiring is a major culprit, often stemming from improper installation, aging infrastructure, or rodent damage. Overloaded outlets are another common hazard. In today's technology-filled homes, we're constantly plugging in more devices, pushing our electrical systems to their limits. This overload generates excess heat, increasing the risk of fire. Damaged electrical cords are also a serious concern. Frayed wires, cracked insulation, or loose connections can expose live wires, creating a potential fire hazard. Look out for cords that are pinched by furniture, run under carpets, or exposed to heat or moisture. These conditions can damage the cord's insulation, increasing the risk of electrical shock or fire. Lastly, let's not forget about light fixtures and appliances. Using incorrect wattage bulbs, placing lamps near flammable materials, or malfunctioning appliances can all contribute to electrical fires. Now that we know the common culprits, let's talk about recognizing the early warning signs of electrical problems. Electrical issues can be subtle at first, but if you know what to look for, you can catch them before they become major hazards. Early detection is key to preventing potential disasters and ensuring the safety of your home and loved ones. Your home often gives you hints that something is amiss. These hints can be visual, auditory, or even olfactory. Paying close attention to these signs can save you from costly repairs and dangerous situations. One of the most obvious signs is frequently tripped circuit breakers or blown fuses. Circuit breakers are designed to protect your electrical system by cutting off the flow of electricity when there's an overload. However, if you find yourself constantly resetting breakers or replacing fuses, it's a clear indication that something is wrong. This could be due to an overloaded circuit, a short circuit, or even a ground fault. Each of these issues requires prompt attention to prevent further damage or potential fire hazards. While these safety devices are designed to interrupt the flow of electricity during an overload, frequent tripping indicates a deeper issue that needs addressing. Ignoring this sign can lead to more severe problems, including electrical fires. It's essential to have a professional electrician inspect your system to identify and rectify the underlying cause. Another telltale sign is flickering or dimming lights. This can be particularly noticeable when you turn on a high-wattage appliance like a microwave or air conditioner. Flickering lights can be caused by a variety of issues, including loose wiring, a faulty fixture, or an overloaded circuit. While a single instance might not be cause for alarm, persistent flickering should not be ignored. While it could be a simple loose connection, persistent flickering might signify a more serious wiring problem. Loose connections can create resistance, which generates heat and increases the risk of fire. If you notice this issue, it's best to consult with an electrician who can diagnose and fix the problem safely. Do your outlets or switch plates feel warm to the touch? This is another red flag that shouldn't be ignored. Warm or hot outlets can indicate an overloaded circuit or a loose connection. Both of these issues generate heat, which can damage the wiring and increase the risk of an electrical fire. This could be a sign of an overloaded circuit or a loose connection, both of which generate heat and increase fire risk. If you notice warm outlets, it's crucial to turn off the power to that circuit and call an electrician immediately. They can assess the situation and make the necessary repairs to ensure your home's safety. Keep your nose alert for any unusual burning smells coming from outlets, appliances, or electrical panels. A burning smell is often a sign of overheating wires or components, which can quickly escalate into a fire if not addressed. This smell is usually caused by the insulation around the wires melting due to excessive heat. These smells indicate overheating and require immediate attention from a qualified electrician. Never ignore a burning smell, as it can be a precursor to a more serious problem. By staying vigilant and addressing these early warning signs promptly, you can protect your home and ensure the safety of everyone inside. Remember the old adage, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure? This saying is especially relevant when it comes to electrical safety in and around your home. Electrical issues can lead to devastating fires, injuries, and even fatalities if not properly managed. Therefore, taking the time to ensure your electrical systems are safe and up to date is crucial. It holds particularly true for electrical safety. Electrical fires are one of the leading causes of house fires, and many of these incidents can be prevented with a few simple precautions. By taking proactive steps, we can significantly reduce the risk of electrical fires. Regular inspections and maintenance of your electrical system can catch potential issues before they become serious problems. One of the most effective preventative measures is to ensure your home's electrical system is up to date. This includes checking that all wiring, outlets, and electrical panels meet current safety standards. Older homes often have outdated wiring that may not meet current safety standards or handle the demands of modern appliances and electronics. This can lead to overloaded circuits, which are a common cause of electrical fires. Consider having a qualified electrician inspect your system and recommend any necessary upgrades. An electrician can identify potential hazards such as frayed wires or overloaded circuits, and suggest solutions to mitigate these risks. Invest in surge protectors for your valuable electronics. Surge protectors are essential for protecting your devices from unexpected power surges, which can occur during storms or due to issues with the power grid. Surge protectors act like buffers, absorbing excess voltage caused by power surges, lightning strikes, or other electrical disturbances. This can prevent your electronics from being damaged or destroyed by sudden spikes in electricity. They safeguard your devices from damage, preventing potential fire hazards. Practice good cord management. Keeping your cords organized and untangled can prevent them from becoming tripping hazards or getting damaged. Avoid overloading outlets by using power strips with built-in surge protection. Overloaded outlets can overheat and cause fires, so it's important to distribute your electrical load evenly. Keep cords organized, untangled, and away from heat sources, moisture, and heavy foot traffic. This not only extends the life of your cords but also reduces the risk of electrical fires. This simple step can prevent accidental damage and reduce fire risks. By taking these precautions, you can create a safer environment for you and your family, ensuring that your home remains a safe haven.